What's up, guys? It's your boy the Alligator. You know the name of the game. It is summertime, and I'm sure you've noticed there's a lot more cars in the street. There's a lot more planes in the air. If you go to one of these applications, the flight scanner or whatever, you'll see that the world is there's a huge improvement in air traffic. I mean, check out North America, China, Europe. A lot more planes, a lot more cars, which only means that there's a lot more fuel and oil consumption. That's why oil prices have really quick and steadily increased for the past few months. We not long ago we had a show when oil went to negative territory. Now it is currently trading as we speak at $40.95. Now last week the market is kind of flat, but if you noticed, if you paid close attention, oil companies remained steady. They didn't lose value. So I have reasons to believe this is a great time to invest in oil and gas, which is personally my favorite sector. So I'm going to recommend a couple companies. I'm going to make this short. These companies, besides being in the oil and gas industry, what they all have in common is that they have at least a 20% upside this summer. I have reasons to believe that July and August will be a great month for oil and gas. I can see oil hitting $50 per barrel by sometime by August, without a doubt. Anyways, the companies are the following. The first one I want to talk about is OVV. That's the ticker symbol, OVV, which is short for Ovintiv Oil Company, which is based out of Denver, Colorado. It is currently trading at, as we speak, at $10.61. Again, like I said before, I think it has a 20% upside of the summer. It's a great company. It was completely hedged during the oil crisis, which means that they had a kind of like insurance. When oil prices go down, they were insured over that. So financially, they're pretty strong. They laid off a lot of people lately, and ironically, Wall Street likes that. As you know, I don't know if you noticed, but you know when companies lay off workers, the stocks usually perform well during this crisis. So that's the case with Ovintiv. Very strong company. I highly recommend it. The next one is CVE. That's a ticker symbol, or Cenovus Energy. It is based out of Calgary, Canada. It specializes in heavy oil sands industry back in the province of Alberta in Canada. Also, very strong company. Has full backup of the Canadian government. So I think it's a very safe bet. Same deal, has a 20% upside of the summer. I highly recommend it. And the last one is SSL, Sasol Limited. This is a company based in Sandton, South Africa, South African company, also fully backed by the South African government, so it's going nowhere. Also financially stable. They've been selling some of their assets during this crisis, but I can also assure you that they're not going anywhere, because whatever happens, they will be bailed out by their government as well. So these are the three companies that I recommend this summer. I'm going to do another episode of another three. I'm actually going to do 3 episodes of this with 9 oil and gas companies that I like for the summer, that I think are good play now that energy prices are starting to pick up and stabilize. All right, take it easy, guys. This is the Alligator. You know the name of the game.